At NVIDIA GTC 2026, Jensen Huang stunned the audience by walking on stage with a life-sized, fully autonomous Olaf robot from Disney's Frozen. With no puppeteers or cables, the robot freely roamed and interacted in real time. Powered by NVIDIA's robotics and AI stack on an embedded computer, its walking, balance, and gestures were first trained in advanced physics simulations before being transferred to the physical robot. The result is a character-accurate Olaf that can move, emote, and react live, showcasing NVIDIA's vision of physical AI robots trained in virtual worlds and deployed in reality. Proxima Fusion's Alpha project is a collaboration of over 30 European companies to build a stellarator fusion reactor. Aimed at achieving net energy in the early 2030s, it focuses on stable fusion using advanced magnetic coil designs. Backed by major institutions, it could pave the way for commercial fusion power and clean energy leadership in Europe. NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is an advanced infrared observatory set to launch by 2027. With a wide field of view and high-resolution imaging, it will study dark energy, detect thousands of exoplanets, and observe distant galaxies. Nova AI lenses are advanced progressive glasses customized using AI and VR-based eye tracking. They map individual eye and head movement to create highly personalized lenses with wider clear vision zones and reduced distortion. Designed for modern digital lifestyles, they offer sharper and more comfortable vision than traditional lenses. Lockheed Martin's Lamprey is an autonomous underwater vehicle designed for stealth operations. It can attach itself to ships or submarines to recharge and carry modular payloads like sensors or weapons. With advanced mobility and precision control, it enhances naval capabilities in surveillance and underwater missions. Galbot G1 is a humanoid robot developed in Shenzhen, standing 173 centimeters tall and weighing 85 kilograms. Powered by NVIDIA AI hardware, it uses cameras, sensors, and voice recognition for navigation and interaction. It can perform tasks like lifting, sorting, and assisting in industries such as manufacturing, retail, and healthcare. It is already being used in factories and supports real-time learning and safe human collaboration. Airlines Airbus A390 concept redefines aviation as the world's largest passenger jet, dwarfing the A380. With space for around 1,000 travelers spread across 3 expansive decks, it is powered by 6 massive Rolls-Royce engines. It tackles ultra-long-haul flights up to 7,500 miles, blending luxury cabins with revolutionary fuel efficiency for high-density routes. However, this mega-jumbo demands 1.2-mile runways and major airport upgrades to operate. Still speculative, with rumors of Lufthansa and Emirates' interest, the triple-decker A390 promises to transform global air travel if infrastructure evolves and it ever lifts off. JC's Air Cab is a 2-seater electric flying taxi designed for urban transport. It features a 12-rotor system, carbon fiber construction, and speeds up to 120 km per hour with a 30 km range. With level 4 autonomy, LiDAR detection, and fast charging, it is aimed at short city commutes and tourism. Mass production is expected to begin in 2026. Xiaomi Vision Gran Turismo electrifies MWC 2026 as the company's hypercar concept. It delivers 1,900 horsepower through an electric powertrain in a sleek teardrop-shaped body with a 0.29 drag coefficient. Advanced aerodynamics, including downforce and airflow efficiency, enhance speed and grip. Features like magnetic rims, active airflow vents, and a futuristic cockpit with AI displays and steer-by-wire controls make it a standout. Gran Turismo creator Kazunori Yamauchi calls it an era-defining icon.
The Volonaut Air Bike is a jet-powered hover bike designed to bring sci-fi speeder bikes into reality. This ultralight carbon fiber craft weighs about 30 kilograms and uses multiple small jet turbines with advanced stabilization systems. It allows vertical takeoff, stable hovering, and forward flight in a motorcycle-style riding position with full 360-degree visibility. Though it only flies for a few minutes per fuel load, it delivers an intense and futuristic personal flight experience.
LimX Tron 2 is a modular robot from LimX Dynamics that can transform into 3 configurations: a bipedal walker, a wheeled robot, and a dual-arm manipulator. It features swappable limbs, 7 DOF arms, onboard AI computing, and support for major robotics frameworks like ROS. Designed for research and industrial use, it serves as a flexible platform for advanced robotics and AI development. BYD's Battery Box HVB is a modular energy storage system for homes and businesses. Built with lithium iron phosphate cells, it offers scalable capacity, high efficiency, and long lifespan. It is ideal for solar energy storage, backup power, and off-grid applications. The DaVinci 5 is the latest robotic surgery system with major upgrades in computing power and precision. It provides 3D visualization, force feedback, and advanced tools to assist surgeons in minimally invasive procedures. It enhances accuracy, consistency, and patient outcomes across multiple medical fields. Rocket Lab's Mars Telecommunications Orbiter is a proposed satellite designed to improve communication between Earth and Mars. Using laser-based data transmission, it will support future missions by increasing data speed and reducing reliance on existing networks. Ansari's flying hypercar concept, the Empower, combines design elements from iconic supercars like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Pagani. Flying vehicle with aggressive styling, carbon fiber construction, and luxury design, representing a new era of airborne hypercars. It is a German space company developing in-space manufacturing technologies. It uses 3D printing and robotic systems to build satellite structures directly in orbit, reducing launch constraints. This innovation allows for larger, lighter, and more efficient space systems for future missions.